Where are they, Jay?
A lot of them know Matt more up this ridge is the first side, but we've knocked about 2 or 3 off of this ridge. Worth pushing up. We're about halfway up the ground now.
Fucking sling. I'm scared.
What?
What's the game rules?
I don't know.
Jay! What's the game rules? One touch in each thing. Oh, is it the bomb? On the ridge on the left.
I don't know.
Yeah, they are, they're at him.
Push up, try and get this bomb.
What, behind the barrier at the back? They're at him. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on with it.
Oh, we've got extra barriers. I'm getting the bomb.
Can't get through that way. You have to go round.
I'm gonna get them.
Up on the ridge.
Are they not our team?
I'll tell you in a sec. No, he's got a blue armband on.
Did that guy seriously not take that hit then?
Oh, he's trying to shoot my fingers.
Barrier at the back.
That's the one I was shooting. Oh, fuck's sake. Hop's gone.
Well taken, sorry mate.
Around the barrier still.
What are you shooting at? The barrier still?
No, it was a different one I was shooting at. But I think the hop's...
Barrier's down. Barrier's down.
I think the hop's gone.
The hop's gone?
Hop's gone and me gone.
No, still one behind
Down the barrier.
What ammo you run?
3.
Give us some threes.
Have we managed to sink in right here, mate? And we're just taking them out. Ooh, you lucky little bastard. I'm going to try and get to that other barrier. Oh no, there's still one behind.
Hello.
Hello.
How's you?
I'm alright, how are you?
I'm alright, I think the hop's gone on my fucking rifle. We'll soon see.
Two snipers up there.
We'll soon
I'm
see.
going to try and get to that foot there.
Go on some cover.
There's a guy behind that barrier. Can you just put a few rounds on that
What the?
concrete barrier thing behind it?
Whereabouts?
Big L-shaped barrier
What the-
behind the second hook. Yeah, that one.
Shit.
The one I shot.
Yeah, where's the guy shooting at you? Oh, he's hit. He's hit.
There's another.
Behind your head.
That second hook, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Watch out, watch out. Oh, I hit!
You see him straight away.
Yeah. Trying to fucking get him this fucking rifle work properly. Don't even know. Oh, I am.
Oh yeah?
I might do a bit of filming actually. Where's the bomb? Slight problem, where's the bomb?
I have no idea.
I don't have a fucking clue where it is.
Alright, mister.
Yeah, I was going in the right direction, I think.
Where's the bomb? Reese! Where's the bomb? Where's the fucking bomb? That's beeping faster than usual.
Jay, where's the fucking bomb?
Behind the tree here.
Right here.
Oh.
Coming through.
Alright. Go, go, go.
Nice shooting.
I think I got.
You did well there, fellas. I couldn't see you for shit.
Where's that come from?
Come on, Greens, get that bomb! Alright, mister.
Hello.
Go all the way to...
Keep pushing out.
I need to go get this bomb.
Oh right, yeah, sorry, you're aiming it in.
Right, Ben. That's right, Ben, you fucking shoot that bomb.
Don't miss the bomb! You missed the bomb now!
Nice pistol kill.
Have you got the guy being hit who's pressing the bomb button twice?
Did you hit him?
Yeah.
Did you?
So much so he points forwards.
Bomb disarmed.
Offside!
I'll be back.
Well done, mate. Well done, guys.
Ah.
Fucking weird how either like excessively long guns or seriously short.
Yeah, I'm like that now though. I can't be doing with mid-range.
Yeah. 14, 21 seconds.
Oh! How long left? 21 seconds left.
Oh, 40 seconds left.